Installing our Joomla Quickstart version of a template is as easy as installing Joomla on your server. First, you'll need to download the Quickstart from our website and upload the files to your server via an FTP program. You can find more videos on how FTP works and how to download our products in our video section. So right now we're on our website and we've just directed the page URL to the website, and now we have the Joomla configuration screen here. So after you upload your files to your server, you should just go to your website and you'll see this screen. This is the basic configuration screen. So this is where you're going to set up your site name, the description, your admin email, your username, your password, and then confirm your password. So let's go ahead and set this up as JoomlaXTC. I don't need a description right now. We can go ahead and do that later. The admin email, I'll go ahead and put my email in here. The username, password, and then I'm going to go ahead over here and I'm going to click Next. Okay, on this next page now we're going to set up the database. So what you're going to need to know here is you're going to need to know the database type. It is probably just the MySQL. Your host name, which is usually localhost, the username for the database, the password for the database, and the database name. Setting up a database is something that you'll need to do on your hosting plan. So if you don't understand about the database and how to set one up, you need to contact your host and ask them how to set it up. It's usually done with the cPanel. So you log into your host, you go to the cPanel, you create a new database, and you're going to want to create the database name, a username, and a password. You're also going to want to make sure that you give that user all permissions for the database. So once you get that information, you're going to go ahead and put your username, your password, and your database name in here. And you don't have to worry about the table prefix, and you don't have to worry about the old database. You can just hit remove or leave backup. If there's a database that you have on there currently and you want it to be backed up and replace it, then you'll use backup. It's set as backup as default, so you can just leave this as is. And then you're going to want to go over here and click Next. And now we're at the final page of the Joomla installation. And now here's the very important part about the Quick Start. We've just set up Joomla, but we haven't loaded any of the demo content yet. So what you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to install the sample data, and you want to select the sample JoomlaXTC template demo data. We're going to go ahead and install. Now it's going to install Joomla with the database with the sample data, and now we're done. And at this page, you're going to want to go ahead and remove the installation folder. Now it's been removed, and now we can go view the site. And as you see, now we have a full install of our Samurai template with all the demo content in place. And that's how you do a JoomlaXTC Quick Start install. We'll see you next time.